In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as paid in PayPal. If you need to manually update an invoice after receiving payment, PayPal gives you a simple way to do that directly from your account. This is helpful when a customer has already paid you outside of the invoice flow, and you want your records to stay accurate and up to date. To get started, go to your Invoices section in PayPal. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon. This will open your settings options. From that menu, go to Seller Tools. This area contains the business-related features for managing sales activity, including invoicing. After you enter Seller Tools, select Invoices. This will take you to the section where you can see a full list of the invoices connected to your account. Take a moment here to locate the specific invoice you want to update. If you have a lot of invoices, it can help to carefully check the invoice details so you choose the correct one before making any changes. Once you've found the invoice you want to mark as paid, select it to open the full invoice details. This page gives you a closer look at the invoice information and lets you manage its status. In the top right corner, you should see an option labeled Record Payment. Click that to continue. Now enter the amount that was paid. Be sure to type in the correct amount so your invoice records match the payment you received. This is especially important for bookkeeping and for keeping your invoice history clean and consistent. After entering the payment amount, confirm the action to record the payment. And that's it. Your invoice will now be marked as paid. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to review the invoice one more time after recording the payment, just to make sure the updated status appears correctly. That can help you avoid confusion later, especially if you're tracking multiple customer payments. This process is very straightforward once you know where to find the option, and it only takes a minute to complete. If you're keeping your business records organized in PayPal, manually recording payments like this can be a useful feature. Thanks for watching, and that's how to mark an invoice as paid in PayPal.